Hi there everyone, my name is Vince. Welcome to the channel. You need to set some screws into this I-beam, some fasteners, some bolts, so to speak. And I just cut these to size. I might need to drill a couple more, but when you go to set your fastener or your bolt, you set your bolt in there. I mean, that is snug, that is tight. As hard as it was to go in, it's doubly as hard to get out. And that's when problems happen. This bolt might get rounded over. And once there's no flats left on this, so to speak, that's when the real problems begin. And I want to tell you how to deal with it. We got a cool little tool that's going to help solve this problem. And I'm going to tell you all about it. Want to help out with the channel? Then head on over to the merch store. Link will be in the description below. We have to simulate this thing is not budging. And it's just rounding them over. I don't think it's that damaged yet. I think we could probably still grab onto it. We could try a lot of different things to get this bolt out of here. I mean, we could try to get the old hammer and smash this thing on here. We can try the old Made in the USA persuader over here and see if we could smash it on. Okay. Oh. Ow. So there's a lot you can try to do. We're not going to be able to get our socket on here anymore. This is a 1/2 inch. There's no backing it off with this socket. Now, you can maybe get a vice grip on there, try to clamp down on it. But if you're in a tight position, that's definitely not going to happen. So we got a little solution for you. I saw these, I knew I had to grab them. This is a 6-piece impact extractor kit. It says it grips and removes damaged fasteners, rounded over, rusted, painted on, and stripped. So this is product number 48-32-8000. The kit is 6 pieces. It includes 5 extractors, a 1/4 inch, 5/16, 3/8, 7/16, and 1/2 inch. It also has a 1/4 by 3/8 inch socket adapter, which I'm going to start off with a complaint already. We got this little silicone sleeve that the sockets sit in, which is nice. Why not throw a little space at the end for the 1/4 by 3/8 adapter? This way you always have it. I know a lot of you probably won't need it. You're going to use it with an impact wrench. But some of us, you know, we use impact drivers. We want to throw this in a kit, a go kit, like a troubleshoot kit, possibly. So the light and tight will always win that race. For use in an impact or drill driver, utilize the 1/4 inch socket adapter or place the extractors directly over on a 3/8 inch impact wrench or ratchet. Reverse or turn counterclockwise to remove the fastener while applying steady pressure. So you don't necessarily need an impact wrench. I will say though, when removing stubborn fasteners, I feel like an impact always does a good job of loosening up. That will loosen this up. Because if it's really seated in here tightly, yeah, your head's stripped. That's part of the problem. But why is the head stripped? Was it cross-threaded in here, the bolt? You don't want to apply continuous stress and rotational force on this fastener or bolt, because I feel that you have a better likelihood of snapping it inside of its hole. You'll have a higher likelihood of snapping it inside its hole if it's seized, if you're continually applying that pressure with a regular ratchet. If you're using an impact, it's that hammering, boom, 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 that could potentially break it free first. Now, what in Milwaukee instructs is always use the extractor that fits most snugly. So here would be the 1/2 inch. We place it on, I'm gonna tell you right now, all kidding aside, like, it's gripping pretty good. It's almost like a reverse drill bit, but the flutes are on the outside instead of on the center, if that makes any sense. Like it's just trying to grab, it's trying to grip, seat in there. Now, here's the other thing they're saying. They're saying to seat it, you could pound away. And you can see where those flutes are sticking out, it's digging into the bolt. I know what some of you might be saying. I could hear you say, oh, you're damaging the bolt. You're not gonna be putting this bolt back in. This requires a replacement. And we're not trying to seat this. You can see it's so busted up. It's not gonna seat. We're just trying to create grooves in there for this extractor to grip into. And if you like solutions to big problems that are real little, the solutions don't cost much, then smash the like button. It's free for you to do, it doesn't cost you a dime, plus you'll get 7 years of good luck. It will help you, all that good luck will help you extract your next stuck fastener. Leave it down below. Have you used a solution like this on a stubborn bolt or a nut working in your garage? We want to know. Leave it all below. With that, I want to say I appreciate each and every one of you for being here. Thanks a lot, everybody. I hope to see you all on the next one.